Hello viewers, I have 2010 Acura MDX and this is the oil filter housing. I replaced that one, so it was leaking. The procedure is easy. You don't need to remove the tire. I just removed the tire, and 1, 2, 3 bolts is a 12 mm bolt. You need to lose it, and these are the connector for solenoid or sensor. You need to remove, push this side button and remove it. You see, I remove it. So this is the clip lock. Press and hold and pull to the upside, remove it. The same this side. You see this lock? You need to press and remove it. And there is another at the top. This one, the lock is at the. Let me see if you guys can see it. This one is the lock. You need to press it and remove the lock. This is connect with the housing, and this is the new one that I removed. So this is the old one. This is the old one, and when you tighten it, you need 16 foot-pound torque, these 3 bolts, and 22 Nm torque, and fix it and you are set. You are good to go. There's a one seal. It has one seal, this one. The seal come with the new one come with the oil filter housing. You need to lubricate the seal like with the grease and install it. Thank you for watching. For replacing this oil filter housing, you need to drain the old oil, and then after that you need to remove the oil filter housing. Thank you.